we will make introduction of our things of our laser cutting machine from three aspects. The first is the product introduction. The second is the application. The third is the technical processing. And today we mainly make an introduction about our laser cutting machine details. Okay, I think let's start the first part of the laser cutting machine introduction. About the product introduction, we divided about the product introduction. It includes the five aspects. The first is the machine model. The second is the laser cutting machine basic model, and the third is the machine structure. The fourth is the machine details, and the finally is the other specialized model. Okay, let's see the machine model. And in the picture, we can see our laser cutting machine, and we can see the picture is very beautiful.
Yes, and I see the two picture is looks so high and it's very beautiful than the first picture.
So you can the picture you want to buy the machine.
Yeah. Yes.
I hope our customers can see the machine and you want to buy the laser cutting machine. And next, we will make an introduction about how to choose the machine model, and I think our customer also have the question. If I know I want to buy a laser cutting machine, and what model is suitable for me, and what model is suitable for our workpiece, and I will give you an answer about how to choose the model. And is according to the cutting materials. Our laser cutting machine is mainly cutting metal, and different materials have a different size about the cutting thickness, and carbon steel is about the size of the carbon steel is about 0 to 30 millimeter, and the stainless steel the size of the stainless steel is about 0 to 20 millimeter, and the aluminum only about 0 to 10 millimeter, and the brass and the copper is about 0 to 10 millimeter, and the galvanized steel is about 0 to 20 millimeter. Is similar with the stainless steel, and we have a video to show you the different materials. And so you can, according to your machine materials and the workpiece thickness, to choose different model of the laser cutting machine. And we can see the workpiece is the carbon steel, and it's cutting in our factory. And we can see the thickness, and the two workpiece have different thickness, and the thickness is between 0 to 30 millimeter. Okay, let's see the next video. And the video is cutting the stainless stainless steel, and we can see the laser cutting machine is processing. And Vincent, do you remember the think of the stainless steel?
Yes, thinner steel thickness is 0 to 10
20.
20.
Yeah,
Oh,
to 20 millimeter.
20 millimeter.
Yes, we can see the video again, and we can see the video again. The laser cutting machine is cutting the workpiece, and the workpiece is very beautiful, very smoothly.
Yes.
Our broadcast also have some sample of the laser cutting machine, and if our customer have interest in our laser cutting machine sample, and you can contact Vincent, and he will give you more details about our laser cutting machine workpiece. We can see the workpiece.
Okay.
Okay, let me see the.
That's Clara, excuse me, I have a question.
Okay.
According to the thickness, I think every power machine has different cutting power. So we how to choose the machine power.
You mean a different thickness should be use different power laser cutting machine.
Yes.
Okay.
So our customers how to choose.
I think I will make an introduction later.
Yeah.
Okay. I will give you an answer, and the thickness. The workpiece thickness decided the laser power, and different thickness should use different power laser cutting machine. And we have two videos to show our customers. The two videos is all the is both the 10 kilowatts laser cutting machine, and the machine cutting different workpiece. And the first video we can see the 10 kilowatt laser cutting machine is cutting 60 millimeter stainless steel, and we can see the cutting the shapes of the workpiece. It's very beautiful and very accuracy, and we can see the workpiece is 30 millimeter. And next we can see the semi laser cutting machine cut the carbon steel, and it also the 10 kilowatt to cutting the carbon steels, and the workpiece is 30 millimeter. We can see the thickness is 30 millimeter. We can see yes, we can stop the videos, and we can see our worker tested the workpiece, and the workpiece is 20 and 9.91, and we can see it about 30 millimeter. Choose our cutting machine is the size of the plate, and we all know the laser cutting machine is generally used to cutting the plate, and different size of the plate will use for laser cutting machine 5G this laser cutting model, and we can see the processing program is very smooth, and our customers can choose different laser cover about this machine, and this model of the laser cutting machine is usually 3 kilowatt. It lists 3 kilowatt, and our customers can choose this machine about according to different thickness of the plate and to choose different laser power. And we can see the processing is very beautiful. You can see
Yes, the
the workpiece,
processing.
yeah. And we can see the workpiece. Oh, Vincent, I remember the symbol it have in our broadcast.
Yes,
Do you remember? You can find it.
please wait.
Okay, please wait a minute. I think Vincent will find a beautiful symbol about the machine. About the machine. Vincent, will find it.
Website, but I find the different work pairs.
Wow, Vincent different finds plant, but he find elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah. If you have interest about the symbol and if you want to get it, and you can contact Vincent, and he will contact. Okay, it's also the base model, the SL 3015G, and we can see the because of this machine, the beam, the laser head, the control panel, and we can see the work table. And this model of the laser cutting machine have one work table, and we also have a double work table picture, and the blue of the wiring and other different appearance.
Yes, but this color is different than last.
Yes, the picture is yellow, and the picture is blue. If our customers want to choose different color about our laser cutting machine, our factory also can give meet your requirements, because our we have specific, we have a personal painting worker, and it's very good. It's very good, and it can meet our customers about machines. And we can see the beam, and the laser head is moving on the beam, and the guide. And the next is the steel mantle, and our machine steels is need to have many processing in our factory, and so the steel mantle is very rough, and it can protect our laser cutting machine. And we can see Vincent, the blue, you favorite color. Okay, next is the control panel, and our laser cutting machine is usually use the side card. It's the brand with our factory, and the brand we have a long cooperation about this brand. So our laser cutting machine is usually use this brand control panel. Okay, next is the list bed, and the list bed is the pipe welding bed, and the welded by process, and it has a high temperature annealing to reduce internal stress and deformation, and it's stable and high efficiency. Our laser cutting machine bed is very stable and it have a high efficiency. Oh, okay. We have a video. Sorry, we have a video to show and it can meet our customers' requirements. We have many out stock, and it also produced by our factory. Okay, it's laser head, and the laser head have what calling other calling with.
Our CNC machine has two types of recording system, but this laser cutting machine, I don't know it have how many types.
Yes, our customer have different calling system. If you want to know the answer, and you can contact us, and we will give you the answer, and we also give you some pictures, some videos to show different calling system. Okay, next is repeat lighting cutting, and the finally is shine cutting technology. The four advantage is our laser has advantage, and we have a video to show our customers the laser head, and we can see the laser height. Our customers' requirement to equip different laser head and different laser power. Okay, next is also the laser head, and we have different laser power head, and we have many laser head in our factory. So our factory have many laser head in stock. If our customer need this part, we can give our customers in time, and don't wait a long time. Some in stock. Okay, next is source, and the laser source is the key part to produce laser to ROI cost, and the second is the RPG, and I think our customer is familiar about it's a very
Our customers can find this repairs.
uh, ch- uh, choose the IPG, and if this part have some question, and it can find the locally service, and so it can many our customers though the price is a little high, and our customer can call into okay, next is it's the and in our work table the knife directly mounted on the bed, and it can avoid shaking, and the rocky road is very stable. It can fit the workpiece, and when the laser head processing, and the rock road in installed of the cutting blade this dislocation insertion and it field installation not easy to lose fall off. It's the structure optimization and table and the bed. And we can see the work table, the laser cutting machine work table. And the next is the beam. The beam it have a high precision and not easy to deform. So it can use a long time and it have a long life. And the next is it's the programming system and it is the exhaust outlet and it can push for partition smoke and it combined with the upper and the lower exhaust. And the next is the SAL 3014A. This model is the specialized model. And this model have a double work table. We can see the picture, the back of the laser cutting machine, the beam, and the laser head, and the control panel. And it's different about the SAL 3015G. It's different from the two types. It's the work table. Do you remember the SAL 3014G have one or two work table?
One work table.
Yes. So the SAL 3015 have double work table. And we can see the picture is very clearly the double work table. If our customer have a long light and a long work table or a long work piece, and our customer A, and it's the okay. Next is the SAL 3015AM, and the AM with the A and the AM have what difference? Do you know?
From this picture, we can see this part. This part is different.
Yes. Because the SAL 3015A only can processing the applied, and the SAL 3015mm can processing the tube, the pipe, the square tube. It can also processing. We can see the truck, the truck and the two stroke, and it can clapping the workpiece and the pipe workpiece and to cutting. And we can see it also have a double workpiece. Sorry, a work table. You can see the picture. And the next is the SAL 3015H, and this type of machine have a machine appearance to protect our laser cutting machine. We can see the machine appearance, and it can protect our machines, and when the processing is the chip will not from around, and it can processing the machine parts, and it also can protect our worker. Yes, we can see the picture. It also have the SAL 3015 1.5 inch, and it's also the machine appearance protect, and it have a double work table. And we can see the picture. And if you want to know more details about our laser cutting machine, and if you want to know the laser cutting machine application and the technology processing, and you can follow our Facebook, YouTube, and our live broadcast, and we will make an introduction about our customers will follow our broadcast, and we will make an introduction. So see you next time.